Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and configure the Spring tool suite onto the Windows operating system. So till now we have seen different installations like Visual Studio Code, Angular CLI, Postman and MySQL Server. So the basic idea is to create the full series of installations that we need for both front-end and back-end development. So this will be probably the last video of this installation series, and then afterwards we will move forward for creating some basic projects and we will try to understand how to develop the front-end and back-end as well. So as of now, just focus on these downloading the STS. So in the browser, let me type download STS, and over here you will find this first option called as a tool. So this link I will provide in the description box, so you can directly click on that link, and this link will take you to this screen. So here below you will find different options for Linux, Mac OS and Windows operating system. So depending upon your operating system you need to choose the option. So in my case the operating system is Windows, so I just need to go with Windows. So let me click on this Windows, and here it will start downloading these STS. So we need to just wait for a minute, and here as you can see the download is started. So let me pause this because for the purpose of this video I have already downloaded these STS and kept it on my desktop. So here as you can see this kind of jar file will get downloaded. So we need to extract these files. So to extract this file we need to click on this icon, we need to right click on this icon, and over here we will find these extract to this folder name. So you need to click on this third icon so that it will create one folder called as with this name, and inside that folder it will extract all the files. So let me click on these and it will start all these extracting all those files. But as of now I have already extracted all those files, so that's why it is just asking me if would you like to replace the existing files or not. So I will just click on no to all because I have already extracted all those files. So in that folder you will find these kind of files again. So you will find these contents zip files. So again we need to extract this one because our STS application is inside these contents zip file, so we need to extract these as well. So we need to click on extract to contents slash, so you need to click on that. But again I have already extracted these files, and now you will find all these folders. So here the work or the folder that we are interested in is called as STS-4.8.0 release. So let me open this folder, and over here you will find all these options. So inside these you need to click on these Spring Tool Suite 4. So let me double click on these and it will start the application. So one thing that we need to remember is that it is not the installer, it is application. So it will not install all the files, instead it will start the application. So over here we need to choose the workspace where all the projects will get stored. So let me click on browse and let me go to my G drive, and over here I'll create one folder called as a STS workspace. So you can give any name again. So let me select this folder, and over here you will find your workspace. So let me click on launch. So now it will launch your STS with that particular workspace, and after successful launch you will find this kind of window. So this window is pretty similar to one of your Eclipse IDE because the STS is built on the top of Eclipse. So this will be pretty similar to the Eclipse itself. So this is how we can download STS and we can start STS application. So till now we have covered all the applications which are necessary for both front-end and back-end development, and from the next video we will see how to create the projects. We will try to understand all the concepts which are related to the front end and back end as well, and some of the concepts from database as well. So if you do not want to miss those videos, you need to subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Learn programming yourself.